Welcome to Antique Hardware Supply, your go-to channel for all things antique and classic design. Today, we're taking a journey through time to explore the evolution of lighting, from the ornate details of the Victorian era to the sleek lines of mid-century modern. Lighting isn't just about illuminating a room, it's about setting the mood, enhancing the design, and reflecting the spirit of an era. Let's dive in. The Victorian era, spanning from the mid to late 19th century, was characterized by opulence and grandeur. Lighting fixtures during this time were no exception. Chandeliers made from crystal and brass adorned the ceilings of affluent homes, casting a warm, amber glow. Gas lighting was common, often featuring intricate metalwork and glass shades etched with floral patterns. The design was highly ornamental, reflecting the Victorian love for detail and decoration. Moving into the late 19th and early 20th centuries, the arts and crafts movement emerged as a reaction against industrialization. This period emphasized craftsmanship and simplicity. Lighting fixtures were typically handcrafted from natural materials like wood, iron, and copper. The designs were simpler, with clean lines and a focus on function. Stained glass shades featuring nature-inspired motifs became popular, adding a touch of color and artistry to the lighting. At the turn of the 20th century, Art Nouveau brought a breath of fresh air with its flowing organic designs. Lighting fixtures in this period were often inspired by nature, featuring intricate metalwork in the shapes of flowers, vines, and insects. The use of glass was prominent, with elaborate stained glass lampshades becoming iconic. The curves and natural forms of Art Nouveau lighting added a sense of elegance and movement to any space. From the late 19th century into the early 20th century, the colonial revival style sought to bring back the charm of America's early colonial architecture. Lighting in this period was understated, with a focus on symmetry and traditional forms. Fixtures often featured simple metal finishes, such as brass or bronze, and included elements like candle-style bulbs and lantern shapes. The design was a nod to the past, combining practicality with a sense of historical reverence. As we entered the 1920s and 1930s, Art Deco emerged, embracing the modern age with bold geometry and luxurious materials. Lighting fixtures from this period were all about glamour and innovation. Chrome, glass, and mirrored surfaces were common, reflecting the era's fascination with new materials and technology. Streamlined shapes, zigzag patterns, and sunburst motifs were key features, creating a sense of sophistication and drama in any room. Finally, we arrive at the mid-century modern period, which dominated from the 1940s to the 1960s. This era was all about simplicity and function. Lighting designs became more minimalistic, with an emphasis on clean lines and organic shapes. Materials like molded plastic, brass, and wood were popular. The fixtures often had a sculptural quality, with designers experimenting with form and function to create pieces that were as much art as they were lighting. Each of these periods brought its own unique approach to lighting, reflecting the cultural shifts and technological advancements of the time. Whether you're a fan of the ornate Victorian chandeliers or the sleek mid-century modern pendants, the history of lighting offers something for everyone. Thanks for joining us on this journey through time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore our other content on Antique Hardware Supply. And don't forget to check the description for links to all the products you saw featured in today's video.